is Brandy Coonan. I'm in software or software programming or computer science, depending on when you actually enter the course. They kind of like change the name on you. But either way, the app I've made is for Android, and it's named Coindex. It's a little bit of a play on words between coin and index here, as it's meant to help users who like to collect coins and have a hard time remembering which ones they have. I know personally, my motivation behind it was I like to collect quarters, but I specifically only like to collect the state quarters, and two of them. It's very, very difficult to remember how many exactly I have at home, so I know whether or not to save a quarter or go ahead and spend it. So, we'll go ahead and walk through this app. You click on the little button here, and my computer's going a little bit slowly. So there we go. Click on the button here, and we are now into the insert coin page, where we can take a picture of the head of the coin, take a picture of the tails of the coin, and then gather different details for each coin, such as quantity, type, and then this is just a little thing to kind of help with categorizing the coin. It's the name of the face on each coin and the year to kind of make each entry unique. So we'll go ahead and click take a picture. It's going to take a moment because my computer's running a little slow. And it's going to ask us if we're allowed to actually take pictures. So we're going to say no, see what happens. And we'll say no to this as well. No allowed to access photos media. So if I do that, we'll say permission denied. And I'm not going to take any pictures. But say we go through this, and we allow it to take pictures, record video, and we allow it to access the photos media, then it's going to slowly take us into the camera app so that we can take a picture. Again, it's taking a little while because of screen capturing software and the emulator. So we're just going to go and take a picture there. And it'll ask us if that picture was okay, which is fine for our purposes. So it's now saved there as our heads. And we'll take a picture of tails. We've already let it know that we can take pictures, we can store it, so we don't get that wrong. And we'll go ahead and take a picture of that. And then we'll say, boom. So now we've got our heads, we've got our lovely tails, and let's say that this is a quarter. So I'll say that this is Washington, and let's say it's 1997. And then quarter. There we go. I was supposed to pull up for the top thing, but again, this is going a bit on the slower side. And quantity, let's say I have that in two of them. So there we go. And we're going to go ahead and save that coin. Now we should get a nice little pop-up saying new coin saved. And that feature is a feature that I've been working on this week. And I'll show you through the code in a few moments. That is this information being saved to the database on this Coindex. Now, at the moment, I don't have the ability to save our heads or tails picture. I'll bring that up later. But it has just saved this Washington 1997 information, what type of coin it is, and how many we have. Now, another nice feature is, since it is a database, you can't save the same thing twice in it, because it's just how databases work. That is also why there's a quantity for each kind of coin. This is always going to be unique. It's never going to be the same face or the same year on different coins. It's just not possible. So, if we try to make a duplicate entry, it's going to say, sorry, but new coin's not saved. So, that's the functionality for my app so far. Next week, I'm going to work on being able to actually see the information that's saved here on the first front page. This week was just primarily to get the database up and running and get it saving data to us, because that was something that I thought I would really struggle with. So, now pull up the code. So, all the database stuff is mainly created with this database helper class, which extends the SQLite open helper. SQLite is the name of the database type that I'm using. So we have our onCreate, which that's basically just our constructor. It just takes the database, which if we go back to insert coin, which is where it's at, here we go. It just takes this. So it uses that main page for it. I put in the ability to update and delete for later. They're not being actually used. So I'm just going to focus on what is being used, which is the save coin data. Now, for each coin, we have those 3 fields, and they're named info, type, and quantity, respectively. So, in this, we have info in the info part of it, the info part of the table, type in the type of the table, and quantity. That face and year is what kind of makes that info section unique. So you will notice that info is the primary key, and it's the thing that we will be calling coins on when it comes to viewing the coins. It saves all the information to it, and if it does not save it properly, then we get a notification later on in the other code saying with false and true. So we go into the main code, we create all the things, and if it's true, then it's great, and that's where the new coins saved and not saved comes in, is whether or not it was able to input it into the database back here. Apparently, to save images, they can't immediately be saved into the database because these have to be saved as text, and image isn't a thing that can be saved into the database unless you turn it into other types. One of those types is called a blob. I've got to do a little bit more research on it. But that is my project, my application. Now, things that went right this week, first of all, was creating the database. I really struggled with the SQLite and how to actually implement it. I'm not very familiar with the jargon that Android and Java uses, the way that they extend things, or their basically their jargon for all their stuff. So I had to do a lot of research to be able to figure out how exactly to start the database. Because once I was able to start it, being able to find things from the table, such as select star from coin, the table was that sort of stuff. The database jargon itself was very familiar because, of course, I took, but creating it was very difficult. So I was very, very happy that the database ran and that it saved coins properly, and that it did not save them when they were not supposed to be saved. That primary key is still for a little bit, as I had originally had the app with merely a type of coin text area, a year text area, and a quantity text area. And it was not until I had to figure out what to use for the primary key that I realized I'm going to get stuck where there's more years. Say you've got a quarter in 1997, you've got a penny in 1997, you're going to be stuck with that year as the primary key. Or if you have 2 pennies and type as a primary key, or quantity as the primary key. I mean, 1 is going to be a very popular number for that section. So it wasn't until I did some brainstorming and I thought about the whole, there's never going to be 2 coins with the same head and the same year. So that was a problem that got averted. Not averted, it got conquered. Something that did not go according to the plan that went wrong was the images. I had originally planned on those two because the text was ridiculously easy. I could just change it to strings as I needed to, or change it to text value, and it saved in there super easily. The images are the ones that are going to be difficult because, again, I have to figure out how to do that whole plotting thing. And some sources were saying I had to bitmap it. And then, of course, some other sources said that depending on the size of the image, I may have to do that several times and then piece together those pieces to form the full image. So that one definitely is going to take a lot more research. I was not expecting that to be as big of a hurdle as it became. But I think that will help me with my development in the future is to remember that you can plan as much as you want. You can plan to do as much as you can, but no matter how well you plan or how much you try to account for errors, there's always going to be more. There will always be more problems than you expect. So give yourself even more of a buffer to allow for that. Like if you've got a deadline and you think that you've got a solid week's worth of work where you're going to be busting about every second of it, maybe ease up on it a little bit because if you run into trouble, then you're not going to have time to troubleshoot that. You need to give yourself maybe just a day of just solid troubleshooting in your planning. And I'm going to start trying to do that so that I can meet the deadlines that I want to set. And so that eventually when I work for an actual company, I can meet the deadlines without having